Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if Snapchat is not working or loading snaps properly. And we're going to basically clear the cache and reset the app. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the settings gear button, select the apps tile, and then you want to select see all apps and then scroll down until you get to Snapchat and select that. And now that we're on this page, select storage and cache, select clear cache, and see if that resolves the problem. If not, you may need to come back in here and select clear storage this time, and then select delete, and then you will have to sign back into Snapchat once you relaunch the app, and hopefully the issue would have been resolved at this point. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.